Hello guys, so this is the continuation of the GPU I had previously repairing. It's a Gigabyte RX 580. So what I did is I changed or replaced the GS 9238 chip. So this is it, the chip. So I already replaced it, and when I test it, sadly, still there isn't this isn't still outputting or generating 0.8 volts, or some called the display rail, or PEX VDD. uh, that's sad because after replacing this IC, still not generating output in this coil. It should have 0.8 volts in order to generate the other voltages like this PDDCI, and this is the memory. After this section generate, uh, this will come out, and this they'll both come out, and lastly the vCore will come out, and our chip will hits up, and that way we know that it is working. But again, sadly, after replacing it, it doesn't come out again. So what I did is I tried all. I tried lifting this coil, the other side. I lift it. So after lifting it, tried testing the voltages, and I test it in this side while the coil other side is lift, or okay, if you understand it, lifting the coil the other side, and I test it. It is outputting around 1.8 volts. I do not know if it's the correct voltages. And then after I put it back again, the coil, I put it back again like this. Okay, so the voltage is zero again. I don't know if it's the core itself is damaged or what, because I already tried everything I can. It is now generating 5 volts, and the power good is already generating 2, and the enable, all the voltages that required is all there, but the only one missing is the output. And if I lift this coil and measure in DC voltage, the voltage is there, but only a high voltage like 1.8 volts, and I don't know if that's correct, because it will burns the 0.8 volts if it is directly goes there, because this coil is directly connected in here. So remember that this PEX VDD section is directly connected inside this core chip. Okay, so I tried everything. I even even used a board view and schematics. All are present, all the resistors, the enable, the FB, but it is not generating voltage if this coil is intact. But when I lift it, the voltage measure in here, this side, it is generating. When I put it back, the voltage is gone again. So what do you think? Is this side is damaged, or I measured the capacitors in here, but they are all okay. So I think I can by the way, I already reflashed the bias too, and but still okay. So I am thinking what's the problem in here, why it doesn't generates while the power good of this chip is okay, and it generates the memory and the BDDCI 0.9 volts. This is the problem here, and I really don't know. I did all and checked all, but this is the one that missing. So I think it is the core itself that is dead, because it is connected directly in here. Okay, so thank you for this another video. Sadly it is a failed attempt, repair attempt. Okay.